In this video, I want to show you what you can do if your Kwikset SmartCode 955 is not locking. Okay, so if you're able to unlock your door without entering a code, it means your lock is set to stay unlocked. Okay, so what you want to do is to get it back to locking mode, and to do this you want to go over to the interior assembly. Okay, next you want to check this turnpiece. If your turnpiece is this way in the horizontal position, it means your lock is set to stay unlocked. Okay, so what you want to do is to get it back to locking mode, and to do this you want to push this turnpiece up. Okay, push it up. Okay, that's it, it's back to locking mode. Okay, so let's go back to the exterior assembly and test it. Okay, let's test it. Okay, so you can see it's not moving this bolt anymore. Okay, so to unlock you need to enter a code. Okay, so you can see it's moving the bolt after entering a code. Okay, so that's how to resolve this issue. If your Kwikset SmartCode 955 is not locking, what you want to do is to go to the interior assembly and check if the turnpiece is set in the horizontal position, and if so you want to push it up to the vertical position, and that's going to resolve the problem. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.